How to register ERP in MyInvoice portal. Why you need to register for ERP. This is to generate a unique ID that represents your company and apply into your accounting software. You are required to do this if you are using an accounting software to submit your e-invoices. Next, let us guide you how to register ERP in your MyInvoice portal. We are using MyInvoice pre-prod for illustration. First, log into your MyInvoice portal using your IC number and password. At the top right arrow key, select Switch Taxpayer. Select the taxpayer you want to register, then click Switch. Scroll down to the bottom until you reach Representative. Key in the ERP name, for example, AutoCount 2.2. Choose 3 years for client secret expiration. Then click Register. Please copy this and save for your own usage. This will be needed to key in AutoCount later for validation. After you've copied all the ID, the word copied appeared at the bottom of the ID. If EPR is added successfully, it will be shown in the ERP section below. It's done! Thanks for watching! Hope you have learned something today. Hi there! Are you ready for e-invoicing, but not sure where to start? No worries! At FOSS Consultancy, we've got your back. Our e-invoice training covers everything you need, from understanding the basics, to using the MyInvoice portal, and even setting up AutoCount, cloud accounting, and version 2.2. We'll walk you through it step by step, simple, clear, and practical. And if you need support, you can choose a package that works best for you. 6 months RM 900 for 1 user, 12 months RM 1300 for 2 users, 18 months RM 1800 for 3 users. And hey, with the 18-month package, you'll even get 2 free webinars. If you're on our support package, you can reach us via any desk or phone. We're here to help with anything, from system issues to software support. You can even ask questions during your implementation. Our goal is to ensure a smooth transition to the e-invoicing platform. Need us to set it up for you? No problem. Setup is just RM 1500, and we can even issue e-invoices for you at RM 200 per invoice. So don't wait. Give us a call at 012-316-1755 or email fastraining99@gmail.com. Let us make e-invoicing easy for you. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.